Hey guys, so I'm back with another review, and this time it is of this 60-second salad maker. Now, as you can see, it's uniquely designed with these slits up top, and what that is for is it allows you to put all your elements in this bowl and chop them up all at once, and that totally cuts down on the time it takes to make a salad. Now, you guys may be asking, why do I need some type of contraption to help me cut my food? You really don't. I do, because I'm lazy as heck, and if this cuts down on the time I spend in the kitchen, then I'm all for it. I've been trying to eat healthier, and because it takes no time at all to make my salad, I've been eating tons of salad. So to get started, I have my pepper, tomato, carrot, and cucumber that I'm going to put in my salad, and I'm just going to kind of show you how this works, so stay tuned. This is what I'm going to put in my salad here. I have the carrots, I have pepperoni, bacon bits, cheese, what is that? Cucumber, sorry, tomato and pepper, and of course my lettuce head. Okay, so now I have all the elements in this bowl here, so I'm just going to go ahead and rinse this out. Alright, so now that it's all rinsed out, what you do is you take the base, do this at the same time, and you put it on top, flip it over, and then this is where I'll begin slicing it. Okay. So now that everything is all packed in here, what I'm going to do is just cut in between each of these slits. And then the biggest thing that you do is you need to turn it like that, and now you cut again, so this allows it to evenly cut everything. Alright, so now that everything is all cut up, we're going to flip this over and see. As you can see, everything is chopped up. And then you just, I can do this all at once, empty it into your bowl. Like that. So this is my final salad here. I did end up adding a few more things to it because I'm greedy, but like I said, I eat salad so much more because of this, and it only costs $7 on Amazon at the lowest, $13 at the highest, and it's been totally worth it. If you're trying to eat healthy, I would definitely advise getting this. So thank you later.